subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo Y76 5G is now official in Malaysia, and it is a slightly downgraded version of the recently launched Vivo Y76s smartphone with quite similar design. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y76 5G features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.6% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y76 5G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone supports ultra stable mode feature for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with FunTouchOS 12 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4100 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with 5-dimensional liquid cooling system, Ultra Game Mode 2.0 and multi-turbo feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.84 by 75 by 7.79mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y76 5G has been priced in Malaysia at 1,299 Malaysian ringgits, and it will be available for purchase in the country in Cosmic Aurora and Midnight Space color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y76 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.